What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Good morning, welcome to another morning in Georgia. We have another sunny day. And so I'm going now to go check the garden. We've had a couple of changes since we've last seen it. We've upgraded just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to check the garden to go see if we have any new growth and see what else is going on, because we had some new sprouts that I saw yesterday. So I want to see if anyone is like up and out of the dirt yet. So let's go and see. Let me show you the setup. So we have a little picket fence now, and I definitely have a designated area. I'm super excited. I think it looks super cute. My son helped me stake these fence things into the ground. However, the ground is still a little hard, so we'll have to wait for like another rain before we can like stake them all the way down into the ground. But it's cool for now. So let's go into the garden. Y'all see I got a flag now. We're coming along. All right, so man, our sunflowers are doing really well. I'm gonna have to replant them. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. Go ahead and replant those. The lettuce looks like the lettuce is kind of struggling, so I may have to replant some lettuce. Nothing came up out of that spinach there. So yeah, we still have some time on that, so we'll wait. But yeah, this is doing well. The zucchini's doing well. I might help that little guy out today and just dust off that little bit of dirt. Nothing here in the bell pepper mix. However, our sweet carnival blend, we have a little sprout right there. So it looks like over there too. Ooh, looks like we have a couple sprouts. So that's nice. Nothing over here in the Anaheim chilies yet that I can see. And I will take this netting off a little later, you guys. Just waiting for them to get a little bit more morning sun. We have the watermelon, which is doing exceptionally well. I'm gonna help that one out as well and probably take off that dirt on the top there. What else? Nothing back here with the peppers. Kind of bummed out about that. Nothing over here with these. Oh no, we've got some growth. We've got some oregano coming up. I see we have, I think the cilantro is trying to come up, and I do see some cilantro over there. That's fun. Nothing here in this bed just yet. We may have to just do these beds over. Nothing in the chives. These are some new things here. We have the compost bins over here. Let's make our way around. These are the new guys on the block. Were just planted yesterday and the day before. Cucumber is coming up really nicely. Have a few sprouts there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's exciting. Who else do we have? I did go ahead and plant some more strawberry because that strawberry looked like it was struggling. Nothing was going on. And yeah, these are just the new guys. This is the new patch right here. As well as this and that. And our tomatoes aren't doing anything either. I'm bummed about the tomatoes. So I think I'm going to try that again. As well as the 2 big bins and a couple of the pepper bins. So we've got a little work to do today. I do want to go, like I said, and get those sunflowers replanted now. Get them in their own pots. So I'm going to look into getting some bigger pots for them. And then, of course, I'll have to cover them because I don't want birds attacking them. So I have to figure out something for them. But, yeah. it's coming along. Super, super exciting. And the sun, I don't know. The sun is rising, so as you can see, the sun is over there, but normally it would be covering this whole area. But it's coming. See the other side of the yard? It's coming. It just has to come over the house. So, but it's coming. So yeah, guys, this is the update of the garden. I have to go back to Lowe's to return something, but that's a good thing because I need a couple of pots anyway, like I said. And I think I'm going to have to cover this up again tonight because it's going to rain and I don't want them to drown. So I have a tarp that I have to cover everything, so I will be doing that before the evening is over. So that's the update.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.